Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, with political tension at fever pitch, the government is delaying plans to pass a law that would make Portmore Jamaica's 15th parish.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the bombshell revelation on Wednesday at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Portmore Resilience Park.
The proposed boundary changes for Portmore to become a parish has been clouded in controversy. The opposition PNP has even threatened to take the matter to court. They argue the changes will favor the ruling JLP, but the Prime Minister insists it's not for political gain. At Wednesday's function in Portmore, another assurance.
So there's nothing to fear. So the issue at play here is whether or not we're going to do this in a local government election. No. I said it Sunday, I'll say it again clearly. Our bill is ready to go to Parliament. We were ready for a little while now. We will not take it to Parliament. We will probably go to Parliament, we'll table it, but we will not pass it. Because there is no way that we could seek to establish a parish and it be clouded in political accusations. No. So we would never do that. And I want the people of Portmore to be assured of that.
What I will say is that good sense prevail. We have always maintained from the beginning that any change to the structure and the boundary ought to involve the people of Portmore who were central to establishing the municipality in its current form, starting from in the mid-1990s and came into being in 2003. What the government sought to do over 2 years ago was regrettable, was anti-democratic, and more so, it sought to reverse the political gains that we have made as a country.
Member of Parliament for Southern St. Catherine Fitz-Jackson has been very vocal about the issue. He adds that any changes, including the direct selection of a Portmore's mayor, should be put to the people.
We challenged it, and we are pleased that the Prime Minister, as I said a moment ago, has allowed good sense to prevail and will now present the proposal to allow for proper ventilation both in the Parliament and, most importantly, for deepened consultation with the residents and various stakeholders in Portmore. The area belongs to the people, and the people's voice must be central in any decision that is made.
It's left to be seen whether the government will relent.